Alright, this is the part 2 of cleaning my biomedia from my fish pond. Sorry, this is the biomedia that I just rinsed off in the fish water, or water coming from a fish pond, right? And you don't want to use tap water. You can use clean water, well water, if you have well water. I just use the same water because the water that's coming out of the fish pond is just a little bit algae in there, which algae is everywhere in the pond anyway. It's natural. It won't hurt anything, but you rinse it off, and the water does not have that much sediment compared to the filter, so it'll work very well. It will rinse it out very well. Once you rinse it out like that, you can use the water for your plants, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Alright, this camera here. There we go. So you can see I rinsed off this material. Goes in my waterfall box. Sorry, it goes in my filter box that pumps that has my waterfall pump, and that's how it cleans out. And you put it back into your pump. It's good to go, and that's how you kind of rinse it out. Now you can use the water for your plants. It is great for the plants so that it helps them grow faster. It's a great source of fertilizer for the plants because it has fish waste, right? Fish waste is the best. It's a slow release. It's the best organic things you can put for your fruit trees and your plants. That's how I have here is fruit trees and plants like grapes, grape vines, and peaches, plums, persimmons, apples. A lot of fruit trees, right? Cherries. Please subscribe. So help support the farm. All right. Oh, it tastes so good. You want some? You see how it looks dark green? It's the best for the plants, for the trees, okay? You can use for your plants, fruit trees, flowering plants, everything. They will bloom and fruit very fast. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. So that's how you do it. Use the fish poop for your plants.